Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable automatic photo downloads on WhatsApp Web when using it on your PC. If you're tired of your browser being cluttered with unwanted photos every time you receive a message, this new update will help you take control of your media downloads. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to whatsapp.com. Once you're there, log into WhatsApp Web by scanning the QR code with your phone if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in and on your chat screen, head over to the left side menu. In the top right corner, you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. In the drop-down menu, select Chats. This will take you to all the settings related to your chat experience on WhatsApp Web. Now, look for the option that says Media Auto Download. This is where you can manage how media files, like photos, videos, and documents, are automatically downloaded when you receive them. Click on Media Auto Download, and you'll see a list of media types, photos, audio, videos, and documents, each with a checkbox next to them. To disable automatic photo downloads, simply uncheck the box next to Photos. Once you uncheck that box, WhatsApp will no longer automatically download photos when you receive them. Instead, you'll have to manually download each photo, giving you more control over your files and saving some space on your PC. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully disabled Photo Auto Download on WhatsApp Web. This update helps you manage your downloads better and prevents your computer from getting cluttered with unnecessary images. If this video helped, be sure to like it, subscribe for more helpful tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.